Hello, dear children. Hope you all are fine, right? Good. I, Ringal Bagadia, your computer teacher, welcome you all in our today's computer class. Children, as you know, we have started our chapter 2, Tux Paint, in last class and studied about what is Tux Paint, how can we open it, Tux Paint window, and some tools of Tux Paint. Now, today we will go further and learn some more tools in Tux Paint. So, open your textbook, open chapter 2, let's start. Okay, so now today our first tool is grass tool, grass effect. In your textbook on page number 1717, this tool is given. The topic is using grass effect. So, as per its name, we will create grass in our drawing. Grass, that is in garden. Yes, that green grass. Okay. So in Tux Paint we can draw ready-made grass in our drawing by just one click. Okay. Now on the screen you can see here Tux Paint window is given, and in that the grass effect also given. When we use grass effect tool, it will draw grass like this. It will draw green color glass. Okay. So let's see practically how can we use grass effect in our drawing. Grass effect is used to give grass effect. First, click on the magic tool and select the grass effect from the subtool box. Select green color from the colors palette. Now, draw some grass by clicking on the canvas as shown in the figure. You can see grass is drawn on the figure. Now children, our next tool is fill tool. Using fill tool. Fill tool is same as fill with color tool in Microsoft Paint. It is used to fill color in any object. It works same like as we studied. Same like fill with color tool in Microsoft Paint. We can choose any color and fill it in any object by just clicking once inside that object. But for that we have to click inside that object in which we want to fill color. Here on the picture you can see we have filled color in river, on mountains, in hut top, etc. So like this the fill tool is used to fill color in any solid objects. Okay, so now let's see how fill tool works in Tux Paint. Now children, let's see how can we use fill effect. Here on the screen you can see our picture with scenery picture is there, and in that we are going to fill color in river, here in mountains, and in hut top part. Okay, so let's see how can we fill. In last tool grass effect we have already selected magic tool. Yes, so our magic tool means magic wand is already selected. So now we will find the fill tool from the subtool box. Okay, now you can see the fill tool is here. You can see here na FILL fill. This is the bucket of color. So this is fill tool. You have to select this fill tool. Let's see how can we fill color. Select fill tool and choose blue color from the colors palette. Blue color. We have to fill blue color in our river. That's why. Now just one click inside the river. The river will fill with blue color. Select brown color and click on the mountains to fill brown color in them. Our 3 mountains are filled with brown color now. Same as fill yellow color in the sun and the red color in the roof of the hut. Now children, our next tool is flower tool. It is very interesting tool because using flower tool we can make ready-made flowers on our drawing. Flower tool is no longer difficult, very easy. You can make ready-made flowers using flower magic tool. We can draw different colors flower also, and as we change color from the color palettes, same as we can draw colorful flowers. And wherever you want to draw flower, you just have to one click on that part of the drawing. Your flower will be made. इट विल ड्रॉ कर्वी स्टॉक फ्लावर. ओके, ये जो फ्लावर है ना वो कर्वी स्टॉक बनेगा. ओके, सो हियर ऑन द स्क्रीन यू कैन सी दिस इज फ्लावर टूल हियर. ओके, हियर फ्लावर टूल इज गिवन. On it flower symbol is drawn. It is the sub tool box of magic tool. In that flower tool is available. Now by using flower tool you can draw flowers like this. Here these flowers you can draw by using flowers tool. You have to just click on that area wherever you want to draw flowers. Okay, so let's see practically how can we draw flowers in our drawing using flower magic tool. Flower tool is used to ready-made. Let's see. Click on the flower tool, which is a sub tool of a magic tool. Okay, flower tool. Now select red color from the color palette. Bring the magic wand in the drawing area and just one clicking on the grass area to add flowers on it. Same as select different colors to add colorful flowers on the grass. The colorful flowers will be made. Okay. Now children, our next tool is stamp tool. You can see the stamp tool on the screen. This is a stamp tool. It look like this. Written below STAMP stamp. I think you all have already aware about stamp. Okay, stamp means sticker. Okay, very good. It is very interesting tool. Stamp tool is used to put a stamp and add image in drawing. We can add using stamp tool any ready-made image of anything on our drawing as a stamp as a sticker. TuxPaint already has some inbuilt stamp. Whenever we download TuxPaint, it will come with some already inbuilt stamps. These stamps are of only penguins. 6 to 7 stamps are there. That is TuxPaint gives us by default. But if we want to download more stamps, then we can use the link given here, www.tuxpaint.org/download/windows. After using this link, you can download more stamps from the internet free. Okay, no charges for downloading stamps. So if you want to download more stamps, then you can download it from this website tuxpaint.org, and link is given on your screen. Okay, then select the following link to download more stamps. अगर आप more stamps you want to download, then TuxPaint stamps -2018-09-01-win32-installer.exe. Then you have to open or you have to click on this link to download more stamps. It will contain so many stamps, means stickers of birds, animals, etc. Okay, now let's see the stamp tool on TuxPaint window. Here on the screen you can see stamp tool window is given. On the left side in our window, second tool is stamp tool. In toolbox, second tool STMP stamp is written below it. It is stamp tool. When we select this stamp tool, in sub tool box it will give us stamps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 stamps are there. These stamps are only of penguins. But if you want to download more stamps, then you can use the link that we have discussed earlier. Okay. Now here see on the screen, when we select stamp tool in subtool tools, here written is stamp. Okay, now these stamps are available and we can put these 6 stamps in our drawing. It will look like as a sticker. Okay, now at the bottom of this stamps toolbox, here one button is given. This is called mirror button. Okay, so using this mirror button we can change the side of the stamp. It means if the stamp side is left, then we can convert it to right sided stamp. Okay, so mirror button, it will make the stamp on opposite side. Okay, and beside this, below this, one bar is given here. It is like volume bar, but its name is a slope bar. SLOPE, slope bar. Using this bar, we can change the size of the stamps. Size. So here half selection is given. So half bars are selected blue. That's why the stamp size is medium. But if you select if you want to put big stamp on your drawing, then you can increase it by just clicking on it. Okay, and if you want small size of stamp, then you can click at the small bar down left side of the slope bar. Okay, so it is the size button. We can also say that slope bar. It is used to change the size of the stamp. Okay, and these two arrows, right arrow and left arrow, these two arrows, using these two arrows we can go further to the next stamp. When we download more stamp, at that time here from left side and from right side we can go further to move on next stamps. Okay, so this is the all about stamp tool. Now let's see practically how can we add stamps in our drawing. Okay, click on the stamp tool. Choose any one stamp from the subtool box. Here stamps are downloaded there. That's why so many stamps are there. Select the Coke stamp. You can also increase and decrease the size of the stamp using the slope bar just above the colors palette in the subtool box. Now click on the canvas and the stamp will be pasted. Likewise, select the heart stamp and paste on the canvas. We can also use the mirror image of the selected stamp by choosing the mirror option below the right and left arrow keys in the subtool box. Click on the mirror button. Now paste the selected stamp beside the previous stamp. You can see. Now children, this much for today's class. In next class, we will learn our next tools of Tux Paints. Till then, stay safe, learn well. Goodbye. Thank you.